High-paying side hustles not requiring sales include niche tutoring, math, music, coding, virtual assistants, admin tasks, social media management, and transcription services, audio/video to text. Virtual assistants can earn around $27.95/hour, while transcriptionists can earn up to $83,000 annually. Everyone wants to earn extra income, but not everyone feels comfortable with selling. You might find selling physically and emotionally draining, prefer not to be pushy or manipulative, or are afraid of being rejected. In fact, research shows that 80% of successful sales happen after 5 follow-up calls after the meeting. The good news is that there are numerous high-paying side hustles that do not require selling pressure. You can generate additional income on your own terms by utilizing your interests, abilities, and expertise. Here are 5 options to help you earn more without the hassle of selling. Niche tutoring. You don't have to sell anything in niche tutoring. All you have to do is share your knowledge. You could be of assistance to someone who is struggling with math problems, learning a new language, comprehending scientific concepts, or preparing for exams. And niche tutoring isn't just about academics. You can also provide instruction in sports, the arts, music, public speaking, photography, coding, and even personal fitness. This side business is not only entertaining but also lucrative. You can earn up to $150 per hour depending on your chosen niche. According to Technavio, the US private tutoring market is projected to grow by $28.85 billion with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 11.1% from 2024 to 2029. So, take advantage of this growing trend by connecting with other tutors, exploring underserved markets, and continuously refining your skills to adjust your rates. Work in VoiceOver One to generate extra income using your unique voice without the stress of making a sales pitch. VoiceOver Work lets you do just that. And you have so many choices: educational videos, corporate training videos, audiobooks, advertisements, video games, and dubbing. You won't just enjoy sharing your voice and improving your skills, but you'll also boost your earnings. For instance, audiobook narration pays around $200 to $300 per hour. With just one audiobook, which is usually 4 to 6 hours long, you can already take home around $1,500. Of course, you should first build a strong portfolio, so practice and refine your voice and set up your recording space with quality equipment. After you have gained self-assurance, you can look into a variety of platforms like Voices.com, Filmless, and Invado to find voiceover work that fits your style and your schedule. Assistance online. You're great at keeping things in order, managing your time, and using technology, but you hate selling? Virtual assistants could be the perfect side hustle for you. You'll be able to do basic bookkeeping, answer emails and phone calls, schedule appointments, book travel, and other administrative tasks from the comfort of your own home as a VA. You may also manage social media accounts, conduct research, create content, or help with organizing events. Other niches for VAs include web development, graphic design, and project management. The benefit? Around $27.95 per hour and a chance to earn more as you gain experience and choose a specialization you enjoy. By 2027, a compound annual growth rate of 20.3% is anticipated for the global VA market, which is expected to reach over 44 billion units. Therefore, it is never too late to enter the VA industry and begin earning without selling. Transcription services. Do you type faster than you can think when chatting with friends? You could turn that skill into a profitable side hustle through transcription services. Naturally, you must also have excellent spelling and grammar, strong attention to detail, and excellent listening skills. As a transcriptionist or transcriber, you'll produce written copies of video and audio recordings, including podcasts, webinars, or even live events. You should check the facts, proofread, and type everything correctly. Apart from general transcription, you can also specialize in areas like legal and medical transcription. You could earn around $23 per hour. Legal transcriptionists can take home up to $83,000 per year, while medical transcriptionists can get up to $89,000 per year. By 2032, the transcription industry is expected to reach $32 billion, so expect more diverse transcription opportunities. You can boost your income even when selling is not your thing. All you need to do is make the most of your interests and strengths. Whether it's niche tutoring, doing voiceovers, or providing VA and transcription services, you can find a side hustle that's enjoyable and financially rewarding. Continue sailing without selling. You've got this. Perfect for folks who want to earn extra income without the pressure of convincing others to buy things on. Freelance writing and content creation. What it is: writing articles, blog posts, web content, or copy for businesses, websites, and publications. Why it pays well? High-quality writing is always in demand. Businesses need content to rank on search engines, engage readers, and build authority. What you need: strong writing and grammar skills, a portfolio of writing samples, can be self-published or guest posts. Basic understanding of SEO, search engine optimization, is a big plus where to start platforms. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, ProBlogger, container cold pitching businesses or blogs in your niche. Potential earnings: $50, $500 plus per article depending on experience and niche too. Virtual assistants, VA. What it is: providing remote administrative, technical, or creative assistance to entrepreneurs, executives, and businesses. Why it pays well? Many small businesses and solopreneurs outsource tasks like email management, scheduling, data entry, or customer support. What you need: strong organizational and communication skills, familiarity with tools like Google Workspace, Trello, Slack, etc. Optional: skills in social media, graphic design, or bookkeeping. Where to start platforms: Belay, Time etc. Fancy hands: Upwork, networking through LinkedIn or online entrepreneur communities. Potential earnings: $20, $60/hour depending on experience and services offered free. Online tutoring or teaching. What it is: helping students with subjects like math, science, languages, or even teaching music or coding online. Why it pays well? Education is a thriving industry, and students/parents are willing to pay for personalized help. What you need: expertise in a particular subject, good communication skills, a reliable internet connection, and webcam setup. Teaching experience is a plus, but not always required. Where to start platforms: VepKid, Wizant, Preply, Chegg Tutors. Create your own tutoring brand and offer services locally or online. Potential earnings: $20, $100/hour, depending on the subject and platform. For technical freelancing, coding, graphic design, video editing, etc. What it is: using technical or creative skills to complete projects like building websites, designing logos, editing videos, or coding apps. Why it pays well? These are high-skill services in industries willing to pay a premium for quality work. What you need: proficiency in specific tools or software, Egg, Adobe Suite, Final Cut Pro, HTML/CSS, etc. A strong portfolio showcasing your work. Where to start platforms: Toptal, for elite freelancers, Fiverr Pro, 99 designs, people. But how pitch directly to businesses or network through LinkedIn. Potential earnings: $50, $200/hour depending on the skill and client. 5. Proofreading and editing. What it is: reviewing written content to correct grammar, punctuation, formatting, and improve clarity and flow. Why it pays well? Writers, bloggers, academics, and businesses need polished content for professionalism and readability. What you need: excellent grasp of language and grammar rules, attention to detail, familiarity with style guides, APA, MLA, Chicago, can be a bonus. Where to start platforms: proofreadingservices.com, Scribendi, Grammarly, Upwork offers services to students, indie authors, or bloggers. Potential earnings: $25, $75/hour or more for specialized content, Egg, legal or academic editing. Summary table, side hustle skill needed. Potential pay: selling, not required. Freelance writing and SEO basics, $50, $500/article. Virtual assistant admin and tech skills, $20, $60/online tutoring. Subject expertise, $20, $100/hack. Technical freelancing design/coding/editing, $50, $200/ho. Proofreading and editing language mastery, $25, $75/ho. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.